White paper factory is we're not dealing with shell stocks, we're not dealing with pre-perf rolls or glued rolls or pressure seals. We're dealing with plain white paper straight from the paper mills. We deal mainly with paper mills, and because of digital technology and digital printing, it's more cost efficient now to print on white paper, on plain white paper, instead of going with shell stocks and different rolls, or in the digital world that we live in where everybody wants variable data. To be able to do variable data not only in black, we can do it in 4 colors. So saying that we are, a white paper, shop, or it's saying that we can dynamically and do variable printing on demand at a very cost-efficient way. No more storing inventory that's getting dated, old, getting dusty in the warehouse. No more running out of a shelf stock. You're using 3 or 4 main stocks that we keep here on house, our house stocks. And with that, we can print backgrounds, and we can print pretty much any 4-color backgrounds needed for a pressure seal look, for a postcard look, for letters, for billing, for insurance, anything that is a transactional shop. It's not high-end, PMS color matches and holding delta E's and stuff like that. But if you have a blue you like or a red you like, we can get pretty close to it, and in the inkjet world it will stay very consistent. I'd say anyone who's dealing with shell stock is outdated, can't compete, and is not cost efficient. The ones that don't are limited. They're going to be only black variable. There's not going to be a photo taken out or background changed out, so they're not going to be able to compete. But yeah, they can print shells, but that's not even cost efficient anymore. To go with on a web in an offset world with printing a shell, you're doing the labor and the time to print the shell, and then you're going to go back on press and in-print variable data. That can't be as cost efficient as just going straight from white paper and doing it all in one shot. So in a day, we do anywhere from 10 million to 14 million images a day, which is crazy. Wow. Crazy. And anybody in the printing business who hears that number is going to think we're stretching it or we're maybe, but we do on a slow day 10 million, on a busy day 14 million images, which is about 7 million sheets a day, front and back.